Hi, today I have Motorola Moto G15 and I want to show you how fix the problem when you have connected with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, tap on a photo on the right corner and there choose Settings option. And in Family, Parental Controls, and as you can see now you have PG3. To visible game applications mobile legend game, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it and enter Connect pin to our parental controls. Now we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included underrated, confirm I got it, and save. We can also turn off our parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.